Welcome back to MSR Master Vision YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about most important questions in the biology subject. So the topic name is transportation. The topic name is transportation, or what we can say, the circulatory system. The circulatory system. These questions are very important for class 10th and also for NEET and DSC and for TET and for competitive exams. So the first question name is René Laennec discovered stethoscope in which year? René Laennec discovered stethoscope in which year? So they given 1814, 1815, 1816 they given and 1817 given. So which is the correct answer? So 1816 is the correct answer. Then we can go for second question. So heart is covered by how many layers? Yes, the first option 2 layers, the second option 3 layers, the third option 4 layers, yes, last option none of these. So the correct answer is 2 layers. So heart is covered by how many layers? Heart is covered by 2 layers. So these 2 layers we called as pericardial layers or pericardial membranes. So in between the pericardial membrane, pericardial fluid is there. So the pericardial fluid is giving protection to the heart. It is giving protection to the heart. Next here, if you take 3 layers, yes, 3 layers present in which organelles? So 3 layers which is in the brain and chloroplast, very important. So 3 layers which is in brain and chloroplast. Then we can go for next question. So the next question is so the largest artery in the heart is, the first option postcaval vein, the second option precaval vein, the third option aorta, the fourth option septa. So here, so the correct answer is aorta. So aorta we called as largest artery in the heart. So here, if you take postcaval vein and precaval vein, so what is the use of postcaval vein? So postcaval vein can collect the deoxygenated blood from hands and legs. Hands and legs. Yes, the postcaval vein can bring deoxygenated blood from hands and legs. Second one, precaval vein. So precaval vein can bring the deoxygenated blood from neck and head. Neck and head. So what is the correct answer for this question? What is the largest artery? Aorta is the largest artery in the heart. Next we can go for fourth question. The valve in between left atrium and left ventricle is, the first option is tricuspid, the second option is bicuspid, the third option is mitral, the fourth option is B and C. So if you take a heart, so in a heart, yes, this is the left portion, this is right portion. So in the place of left, side, so what type of valve is there? So the valve name is bicuspid valve, and also it is called as mitral valve. So the correct answer is bicuspid and mitral valve. So here tricuspid, where it is? It is in between right atrium and right ventricle. Right atrium and right ventricle. Then we can go for fifth bit. Which blood vessel carry blood from heart to body parts? Yes, the first option is arteries, the second option veins, the third option blood capillaries, the fourth option all of these. The correct answer is arteries. Veins can carry blood from body parts to heart. Body parts to heart. So then we can go for sixth question. The human heart starts beating around dash day during the embryonic development. So the first option 20, second option 21st day, the third option 3rd week, the fourth option B and C. So the correct answer is 21st day or 3rd week. Then we can go for seventh question. Yes, how much time needed for completion of cardiac cycle? Yes, the first option 0.8 seconds, the second option 0.9 seconds, the third option 0.11 to 0.14 seconds, The fourth option 0.27 to 0.35 seconds. Answer is 0.8 seconds. So for the complete cardiac cycle it takes 0.8 seconds. So here 0.11 to 14 it is for auricular contraction. 0.27 to 35 it is for ventricular contraction. So the answer is 0.8 seconds. Next we can go for 8th question. The weight of the heart and number of beats per minute in blue whale is, first option 300 grams, 76 times heartbeat. A second option 12 to 21 kg weight, 46 beats per minute. Next third option 0.15 grams or 1200 beats per minute. Yes, last option 750 kg, 7 beats per minute. So the correct answer is 750 kg, 7 beats per minute. That is the correct answer. Next here 300 grams and 76 it is for human beings. 12 and 21 kg per 46 minutes, 46 beats per minute it is for elephant. So 12 to 21 kg, 46 beats per minute it is for elephant. 0.15 grams and 1200 beats per minute it is for colt. So for 8th question the answer is 750 kg and 7 beats per minute. Then we can go for 9th question. The 9th question is single circulation found in. So what's the meaning for single circulation? So if the blood is flowing through heart only once means we can say single circulation. The first option fishes, the second option aves, the third option reptiles, the fourth option mammals. So the correct answer is fishes exhibit single circulation. Next we can go for 10th question. In elders the lower part of the leg will be swollen. This stage is called, the first option edema, the second option anemia, the third option pellagra, the fourth option beriberi. Now here edema it is the condition in the elder people, they are getting swollen leg. So this is the correct answer. Next here anemia, pellagra and beriberi. So these all diseases we are getting due to the deficiency of vitamins. Then we can go for next question. Yes, 11th question. So if you take 11th question, the liquid portion after formation of blood clot is called, the first option plasma, the second option serum, the third option blood agglutination, the fourth option none. So the correct answer is serum. Then we can go for 12th bit. How the food supplying in amoeba, or how the food is supplying in amoeba. Is the first option water currents. First option water currents. Second option Brownian movements. Third option gastrovascular cavity. Fourth option pseudocoelom. So here the correct answer is Brownian movements. So water currents it is in the sponges. It is in the sponges. Next gastrovascular cavity it is in the nidaria. Nidaria. Pseudocoelom it is in the roundworms. Yes, then we can go for next bit. In which organisms nutrients supplied by the open circulatory system? First option annelids, second option arthropods, third option echinodermata, fourth option mollusca. So what is the correct answer? Arthropods is the correct answer. So here annelids exhibit closed circulatory system. Then we can go for next question. What is the time duration of blood clotting? Yes, the first option 2 to 3 minutes, the second option 3 to 4 minutes, the third option 3 to 6 minutes, the fourth option 4 to 5 minutes. So the correct answer is 3 to 6 minutes. Then we can go for next question. Fibrinogen converts into fibrin by the first option thrombokinase, second option thrombin, third option fibrinase, fourth option lipase. So here what is the correct answer? Thrombin is the correct answer. Then we can go for next question. What is the diastolic pressure and systolic pressure of healthy young adults is? First option 120 by 80. Second option 80 to 120 mm of Hg. Third option 100 to 120. Fourth option 120 by 90. So here carefully you can observe the question. What is the diastolic pressure and systolic pressure? So here diastolic pressure 80, next systolic pressure 120. So this is the correct answer. So 80 by 120 is the correct answer. Then we can go for next question. BP of humans is measured by dash instruments. First option manometer, the second option stethoscope, the third option thermometer, next fourth option sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. So what is the correct answer? Sphygmomanometer is the correct answer for measuring BP in the human beings. Remaining manometer, yes, it is used for measuring root pressure. Root pressure we can measure. Right. Next stethoscope, we can find the heartbeat. Next thermometer, we can find the temperature of human body. Next we can go for 17th question. Which of the following disease is a inherited disorder related to the blood? First option hemophilia, second option thalassemia, third option both, fourth option none of these. So here what is the correct answer? Thalassemia is the correct answer. It is a inherited disorder related to the blood. Hemophilia, it is caused due to the marriage between very close relatives. Next we can go for 18th question. Oak tree can transpire dash liters of water per day. Yes, the first option is 900 liters per day. Second option 15 liters per week. Yes, third option 750 to 3500 liters per day. Fourth option none of these. So the correct answer is 900 liters per day. Then second option 15 liters per week by the maize plant. Fully grown mango can transpire 750 to 3500 liters per day. Next we can go for 19th question. Aphids pierces the plant tissues with its long needle-like organ called. Yes, the first option pseudopodia, the second option cytostome, the third option cilia, the fourth option proboscis. So what is the correct answer? Proboscis is the correct answer. Very important question. It is expected question for 2021. Next, pseudopodia, it is a locomotor organ in amoeba. Cytostome, it is a part for getting food in the paramecium. Cilia, these are the locomotory organs in the paramecium. Then we can go for last question. Biologists studied about food transportation in plants with the help of. First option, yes, aphids. The second option green fly. The third option both A and B. Last option none. So what is the correct answer? aphids and green fly. So these two are used by the biologists to study the food transportation in plants. Yes, thanks for watching my channel. So please like, share and subscribe. Please be supporter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.